Finding the correct neutral lug for older Cutler Hammer CH series panels can be challenging. Standard neutral lug kits designed for newer CH and BR series panels may not be compatible due to differences in set screw diameter. It's crucial to avoid unsafe alternatives such as self-tapping screws. A self-tapping screw is never a good idea because it can compromise the integrity of the panel enclosure, potentially creating a ground fault and an electrical hazard, including the risk of electrical fire. Furthermore, such modifications would likely violate electrical codes and invalidate any safety certifications for the panel. A suitable solution is a Cutler Hammer CHN300120 Neutral Bar Kit. This kit is specifically designed for Cutler Hammer CH series panels and includes the correct diameter set screw needed for older panels. These kits are available from some online retailers. When working with electrical panels, safety is of utmost importance. Firstly, ensure the power to the panel is completely shut off before commencing any work. Verify the absence of voltage using a reliable voltage tester on all circuits within the panel. Secondly, always adhere to local electrical codes and regulations. These codes are in place to protect individuals and property from electrical hazards. Thirdly, use properly insulated tools specifically designed for electrical work. These tools provide an extra layer of protection against accidental electrical shock. Fourthly, wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including safety glasses and gloves. Safety glasses protect your eyes from debris, while gloves provide insulation against electrical current. Fifthly, double-check all connections to ensure they are tight and secure. Loose connections can cause arcing, overheating, and potentially lead to electrical fires. Sixthly, if you are not comfortable working with electrical panels, it's always best to consult with a qualified electrician. They have the knowledge and experience to safely perform electrical work. Seventhly, before installing a subpanel, make sure the neutral bar is securely fastened to the main panel. A loose neutral bar can cause voltage fluctuations and potentially damage equipment. Eighthly, always use a torque wrench to ensure the neutral lug is properly tightened according to the manufacturer's specification. Over-tightening can damage the lug or the neutral bar, while under-tightening can result in a loose connection. Ninthly, if you are unable to locate the specific neutral bar kit mentioned, contact Cutler Hammer directly for assistance. They can provide information on compatible parts and accessories for your panel. Tenthly, never use a self-tapping screw to attach the neutral bar to the back of the panel. This is a safety hazard and may create an electrical fire. Modifying the panel in such a way can compromise its structural integrity and create a dangerous situation. A properly installed and grounded neutral bar is critical for the safe operation of an electrical system. The neutral bar provides a common point for the return of current from electrical circuits, ensuring that the system operates in a balanced manner. When the neutral connection is compromised, it can lead to voltage imbalances, equipment damage, and potentially hazardous conditions. Remember that working with electrical panels can be dangerous. Always take the necessary precautions and consult with a qualified electrician if you have any doubts or concerns. Consider the NEC, or National Electrical Code, requirements for grounding and bonding, particularly sections 250.24. These sections detail the specific requirements for grounding and bonding electrical systems to ensure safety and proper operation. Additionally, refer to NEC Table 310.15b16 for ampacity ratings of conductors, ensuring that all wiring is appropriately sized for the intended load. Finally, the NEC Article 408 covers switchboards, switchgear, and panel boards, providing guidelines for their installation, construction, and safe operation. By following these codes and guidelines, you can help ensure the safety and reliability of your electrical system.